tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God. I was born in downtown Tunis called Centerville. Started working as a young boy, listen well, never still. To never give up, free, never fail. No need advice from no one. Life in the street already taught me how to deal. Once I was told don't think about Gina, think about me. A hard worker, self-made. I used to work many part-time jobs so I could pay the still. I'm a lucky man, alhamdulillah. I traveled all over the world. Back in the States, used to have a 1991 Cadillac DeVille. Can you believe I met the great Washington Denzel? Following my dream, I found myself in a jail for no reason, alone in a cell. What the hell? So fuck the system, fuck your thoughts. I gotta do what I gotta do. I'll let you talk and I don't care, cause يصير عالرجال. Politicians talk about revolution. Bullshit, they only brought us more stress, more rest. They don't want your success. They even buy the press. So brilliant. I wanna meet who called us the third word. They think with their ass. It is a fact we agreed to do, not agree. So go ahead, write the shit on my dick. I could give you my address. Stolen TV shows, record كلام الناس. أمور فوضوية تراشنية لا بأس. Demolition man, the media is the mess. They could have several ways engaging people to see you armless. I'm gifted, I admit. I've got my own self-defense. So I shot all of them with finesse. If you don't believe it, judge, read the only neutral newspaper called La Presse.